This is India's latest obsession.
About 40 to 50% of new car sales come from SUVs.
Why SUVs are becoming the number one choice.
एक time था when it was a status symbol.
Investors इस ट्रेंड को कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं? Welcome to Up Originals, where we decode the world of money. Jay is part of Team Upstocks. He's an analyst and he writes some very insightful articles for Upstocks Originals, जिसकी की लिंक हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है if you want to check out. और वहीं से हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आर्टिकल्स को उठाते हैं और उन पे बातचीत करते हैं. And this time around, in this episode, Jay, we have picked a very interesting topic. This is India's latest obsession.
Latest, not really, evolving obsession that continues to be an obsession.
Yes, and we are talking about SUVs. So let's talk about SUVs and this growing craze in India. What is it about?
So Gauri, I just think it's not just about India. In fact, I was reading somewhere कि not just here but globally also, about 40 to 50% of new car sales come from SUVs.
Oh.
Yeah, and in India, of course, we are close to 50% now. So just for context, a few years back, it was close to 25%. It has now come to 50%, right?
Staggering, actually.
That is, and I think it started from the fact, it was a big car, आप अपनी पूरी family को fit कर सकते थे. There was this driving pleasure of an elevated seating, rugged looks, easy to look at, good to look at, and so many features. And from there it has snowballed. In the last few years, we've had some fantastic product launches, which has continued the trend. And from a car maker's point of view, I believe SUVs are more profitable than, say, a common hatchbacks. So for them also to make this product, sell this product and push it is much better. So collectively, Mil-Jul ke it has become a trend which is now escalated or come to this level basically.
So from a customer's point of view, if I talk about Indians and their preference, अगर हमें एक reason pinpoint करना हो why SUVs are becoming the number one choice when it comes to car purchase for Indians, will it be looks, performance, features, or it's just a trend?
I don't think it is just a trend. See, there is definitely a lot of SUVs are not as efficient as the others are, but of course increasingly that trend is changing and you can make a lot of fuel conscious SUV purchases as well. But I don't think there is just one reason, it's an overall thing. I think right now at this point if we say, तो यार सब खरीद रहे हैं, the products that are coming out in the SUV markets are definitely way too many, plus they seem and look much better, more premium. तो आपके पास वहाँ पे choices काफी ज़्यादा हैं, and that is also one of the things that sort of.
I think it has become also sort of a status symbol.
I would, this is my opinion here, but for a consumer, एक time था when it was a status symbol. Now almost everybody has it. But then again, that would differ if you are going to buy a Land Rover, if you are buying a Mercedes, then it's a different thing. But otherwise, आपके पास आज compact SUVs हैं, normal SUVs हैं. So I'm not entirely sure.
Obviously, बहुत सारे affordable options भी आ गए.
Exactly.
Okay, so जय अगर इस ट्रेंड को SUV ट्रेंड को हम इन्वेस्टर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें, राइट, एक ऑटो सेक्टर हमेशा से एक बहुत ही सॉट आफ्टर सेक्टर रहा है फॉर इन्वेस्टर्स. सो इन्वेस्टर्स इस ट्रेंड को कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं?
Right. So I think for investors and auto investors, the most obvious thing is ये एक product business है, right? So if the product is doing well, if the product is a part of the consumer preference right now, and if the product is more profitable for your car maker, the company is going to do well, earnings will do well, and obviously so will the stock. So from an auto investor's point of view, you want to maybe look at companies that are doing well in the SUV segment, whose products are doing well. In India, unfortunately, fortunately, from a listed company point of view, you only have a Tata Motors and a Mahindra & Mahindra, where the SUV portfolio is higher. We've given a chart where we've listed all the major OEMs, the car makers, and their SUV portfolio. Once Hyundai comes and Hyundai lists in some time, you will have that also as an option. Maruti's SUV portfolio right now compared to the others not as much, but I have a feeling that will also change and evolve as we go forward.
Thank you so much, Jay, for this conversation. नेक्स्ट टाइम अब जब आप रोड पे निकलेंगे और एटलीस्ट 10 में से 5 गाड़ियां आपको एसयूवीज दिखाई देंगी, तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि एसयूवी ट्रेंड क्या है और हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा है तो हमें कमेंट्स में बताइए, अपना फीडबैक जरूर दीजिए एंड ऐसे और भी एपिसोड्स देखते रहने के लिए प्लीज डू हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन. एंड एक और बात, अगर आपको अपस्टॉक सॉल्यूशंस के आर्टिकल्स पढ़ने हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक कीजिए जहां पर हमने लिंक दी हुई है. बाय बाय एंड सी यू सून.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.